Price improvement. Welcome to modern luxury at its finest. This stunning home has an unbeatable floor plan, cozy yet grand with every bell and whistle imaginable. This Arthur Rutenberg Custom built home is nestled on an impossible-to-find oversized nearly half-acre lot within the gated, golf course community of River Wilderness within Savannah Lakes. The community features resort-style living amenities including a clubhouse, heated pool, private boat ramp with Manatee River to bay access and a golf course. Masterfully designed 4-bed open split floor plan has been recently renovated. Better than new features include 2 new high-efficiency air conditioners, smart home technology, porcelain tile, and 2 new water heaters. Upon arrival you will notice the mature tropical uplighted landscape and oversized paver driveway. The 3-car garage is also oversized and waiting for your boat and golf cart. Your grand front entry is captivating, drawing your eyes to the pool, spa, pond and sunset views from every angle. To the right you will find a massive formal dining room easily seating 12 guests. To the left you will see custom sliding door that opens to the office with very large windows and plantation shutters. Right off the office there is a half bath with quartz countertops. Next you will see the grand room with tray ceilings and high-end unique appointments. Nestled away from the family area is your very own master suite sanctuary. This suite has triple-sized windows allowing all the amazing views from your bed, tray ceilings and a unique fan with a private entry to the pool/spa area. The ensuite is a full retreat, from the walk-in closets, massive smart multiple rain head showers, body sprayers, LED lighting, tons of cabinet space, marble countertops to the 24x48-inch floor-to-ceiling porcelain tiles. Upgraded gourmet kitchen starts with floor-to-ceiling cabinetry for plenty of storage. Check out the dual-fuel oven with a 7-burner gas cooktop, pot filler and beautiful custom-built copper range hood. 2 more wall ovens, instant hot water heater, a built-in microwave drawer and double-thick quartz countertops throughout. This kitchen boasts a beautiful dry bar with built-in wine/beverage fridge. Off the kitchen is an eat-in breakfast area with oversized aquarium window bringing tons of views into the kitchen. Tucked back off the family room is a state-of-the-art theater with 7.1 surround sound and custom twilight ceiling. The outdoor area is nothing less than a backyard resort with tons of seating/entertaining space and a luxurious outdoor kitchen. Pool and spa are operated on a smart system with the touch of a remote control to make managing the pool pumps, heater, and interface much easier. The screen enclosure boasts upgraded 20/20 screening. You can rest easy knowing your home is safe with hurricane protection, including motorized hurricane shutters. This home is